जटाटवीकलज्जलं प्रवाहपावितस्थले कलेवलं जलम्बितां भुजङ्गम्. Hi friends, this is NJ, your host on this channel. So we'll start our discussion on a new concept, which is the ring of Saturn. This line also comes in the category of the minor lines. Before we'll start our discussion on this, just a quick recap of the introductory part of the basic fundamentals of palmistry. So the lines marked on our palm can be classified into three categories. The first category is of the primary lines, the major lines, in which these three lines fall. So the topmost is the heart line, which answers all of your concerns regarding your innermost feelings, your emotional capabilities. Next is the headline, which answers all of your concerns regarding knowing someone's intellectual capabilities. And if you want to know about someone's health, vitality, stamina, immunity, for that we need to check the condition of the lifeline. So this is the first category of the lines. Second category of the lines is, these are the secondary lines. First is the line of Saturn, which answers all of your concerns regarding knowing someone's wealth, career, time to buy property, time to buy new car, new vehicle, stability in the life. Next is the line of Sun, which answers all of your concerns regarding knowing someone's capacity to attract name, fame and recognition in this life. Next is the line of Mercury, which tells about someone's health and business prospect. Now coming to the part of knowing the third category. So we have discussed the primary lines, the secondary lines, and now is the minor lines. So minor lines are very rare to found in someone's palm, but if you have spotted them, then they add very kind of depth to someone's personality. Being a hand analyst, you have to give proper scrutinization to these minor lines because they modify the personality traits of someone. So we have already discussed in our series on the minor lines the line of Mars, which act as a sister line to the lifeline and provides strength to the signification of the lifeline. We have also discussed the via lascivia, which kind of makes someone very much vulnerable towards the artificial stimulants, whether in the form of drugs or alcohol. We have also discussed the line of intuition, which makes someone very intuitive, gives extrasensory perception and a kind of understanding and the acquiring knowledge which is beyond the understanding of the conscious mind. And lastly, we have also discussed the ring of Solomon, which just gives someone wisdom and potential to progress in any psychological realm or in spirituality. Now coming to this topic in particular, the ring of Saturn. My way of doing analysis is that I always give a comprehensive picture to every element, to every concept whichsoever I present in front of you. But when it comes to the ring of Saturn, I tried my level best to find out the better side of it, but I wasn't able to. This is not considered as a good sign, and like the way we say that astrology and numerology, astrology and palmistry always goes hand in hand. So let's say, for example, if you have spotted good mount of the Jupiter, strong and long index finger, and the presence of ring of Solomon, square, triangle and good signs present on the mount of the Jupiter, then this would just heighten the possibility that the person might even have a strong posited Jupiter in his astrological chart as well. But when there is such a strong and intense sign like of this, the ring of Saturn, if you have spotted this on the palm, so this would the chances would increase that the person even have a debilitated or even a negative state of planet Saturn even placed in their horoscope as well, and or might be the case that the planet Saturn is being aspected or conjunct a malefic planet in the astrological chart. So this is how it proves that the palmistry and astrology always goes hand in hand. Now coming to this topic about the formation of this ring of Saturn on the palm. So this ring of Saturn gets spotted something like this, encircling the middle finger on the palm. Though there is no hard and fast rule that you will find it in this formation only, there can be other variation in the formation and the shape of the ring of Saturn as well, which we are just going to discuss. But the one thing which it represents is that it will always get found on the mount of the Saturn beneath the middle finger. So the variation of the ring of Saturn could be, first formation is that you will find it in a complete proper semicircular formation, in a semicircular ring. Second is you will find it in a semicircular form but little bit open at the center. So open semi circular ring. Third formation is that you'll find it in a form of two intersecting lines coming from the edges and making a big large X or crossbar on the mount of the Saturn, something like this. And last formation is that you will find it in a fragmented kind of formation. So this would be the case. If you remember, if you have watched my series on the fingers, I have already explained there, like the way we say and believe in palmistry that these mounts are the powerhouse of your palm, and these fingers represents the release of the energy of these mounts. So what is going to happen is that the presence of these knots are considered as an obstruction. They impede in the free flow of the energy from the fingers. And so let's say, for example, if you have spotted additional knot on someone's fingers, so it would just represent and tell that there is a kind of impediment and obstruction in the free flow of the energy from that finger. So whatsoever signification that finger represent, like this finger represent your spirituality, your leadership traits, your wisdom, this represent your art and creativity, recognition, this represents your business talents. So there might be impediment in that, and the absence of these knots would increase the free flow of the energy. This is what has been written in our Samudrik Shastra. So now coming to this particular portion, this ring formation is kind of acting as an impediment in the signification of the planet Saturn. So now coming to the part of what does ring of Saturn represent. See, ring of Saturn kind of reduces the positive qualities of the planet Saturn. That's the one way to look at it. And second is, it just brings out the worst side of the planet Saturn. Now you have to understand that I have already explained that there are two sides of it, the ring of Saturn. First is that it reduces the positive qualities of the Saturn, and second is that it brings out the worst. So the positive qualities of the planet Saturn are, first is that it represents wisdom, prudence, hard work, your balanced state of mind. So what is going to happen is that it will get reduced and it will manifest in the form of person becoming very inconsistent. The person will lack determination. His career will face a maximum toll in the form of a checkered career with too much of the financial instability. So that would be the one side of it, of the ring of Saturn. In terms of the checking the worst side of the planet Saturn, which will this ring of Saturn would bring out, would be that, as you know, that the Saturnians are in any case loners. They kind of not like much of the social interaction. They would love to remain reclusive, doing their own work, doing their own research. But what happens is that this ring of Saturn brings out the worst of them, and they kind of become haters of the other fellows. The criminals are also seen from it, and even the evil side of their personality would have a very twisted bend to it. So this is how the two sides of the ring of Saturn can be looked at as. And it has also been seen in the research of the majority of the palmists that in all those hands of the women who have this kind of ring of Saturn, either it is a sign of delay in the marriage, or even when it comes to their love and relationship, they are not able to retain that love in the relationship, and emotional failures. And also this has been seen that women with this kind of formation tend to fall for someone like who is a little bit old in age, or someone who is like who has very serious and very mature outlook. So this is some of the signification of the ring of Saturn. In any case, it is just going to hit someone on two areas. One is in someone's career. The person with this kind of formation has been seen in the research that these people kind of make very poor choices in their career, and they have this kind of very unstable and they face lots of ups and downs and too much of the job switches which they face in their life. That's the one side of it. And another side of it, that it hits someone and kind of makes someone contemplate suicide as well. Like the way I have always say, these kind of major things, we check it in combination with other signs marked on the palm as well. The basic modifiers, which I'm just going to explain you in a couple of minutes. But you have to understand that we all go through hardship. There are those people who have gone through worst of the times which we can't even imagine. They'll cry, they will curse, they'll go through all kind of hardship. They might even take refuge in all the artificial emotional stimulant. Person might become alcoholic, might become a druggist. But contemplating suicide is entirely beyond the realm. But when it comes to this kind of formation, some, or at some stage of in that person's life, person might have contemplated suicide, no matter how bigger or smaller the reason is. So that is the only reason why ring of Saturn is not considered as good. And like the way I've been repeatedly saying this thing, that this planet Saturn, the middle finger, the mount of the Saturn, and even the lines beneath this, in this line, plays a very vital role, a very significant role. Now coming to the kind of signification which we can expect is that, let's say for example, you have spotted this kind of semicircular ring on the mount of the Saturn. So this is just going to manifest in all those forms only, like the way I have explained, that the person will face very unstable career, lack of planning, and his career will go through too many ups and downs and signs of melancholiness. But let's say for example, you have spotted this kind of large X bar. So the large cross, the third category. So this might be a case where the person will not only remain melancholy, he might even think of committing suicide. The person will not only have a kind of make poor choices in the career, but he would rather make so disastrous mistakes in his professional life that would completely cost his career. So much of the lack of planning, lack of foresight, be it in the business or be it in the service. And next other formations are, let's say for example, you have spotted these rings to be open. Either it's in an open semicircular ring or in a fragmented kind of formation. So something like this. So this just indicates that the energy is not getting blocked, it is getting a proper window to being released. So this is not as hazardous as the proper semicircular ring and the large cross formation. So this kind of formation is still considered as a relief from a regular suffocating energy of the semicircular ring. So I'll just enumerate it, just funnel it down. Semicircular ring is considered as bad, the large cross is considered as the worst kind of formation, the open semicircular ring and a fragmented kind of formation just act as a little bit of relief for all these people. Now you have to also understand and look at it from the perspective of the basic modifiers as well. So what would remain to be the basic modifiers? So along with the presence of the ring of Saturn, the relieving and saving grace would remain to be a strong thumb. If the thumb is strong, then the person will have a necessary willpower and determination to put a guard on all the negativities and thoughts and the situation which ring of Saturn is creating. Next is a good headline. If the headline would be in a good state, the person will have a good mental capabilities to counter the negativities. And along with that, this is your outer mount of the Mars, which also plays a very vital role. This is Mars has got two regions. This portion represents your inner, your physical strength, the Wallen streak. This represents your mental strength, your endurance, the perseverance. So a good thumb, a good headline and a good outer mount of the Mars would remain to be a saving grace to counter the negative effects of the ring of Saturn. And the negative aggravating signs marked on the palm would remain to be the mount of the Luna. Mount of the Luna is very sensitive. This portion represents your imagination, your thinking, your restlessness in negative state. So Luna people are already like very lazy, kind of very inconsistent, and along with that, if it will have a combination of the presence of a ring of Saturn, then this is just going to aggravate the condition, and all those negative things which we have discussed about the ring of Saturn, the chances would remain to be higher of the happening of all those things. That's one way to look at it. And the more worsened than it is, let's say for example, if you'll find the mount of inner Mars large along with the texture of the skin to be rough, like the way I always say, the soft texture of the skin softens everything, rough texture of the skin animalizes everything. So large mount of Mars along with rough texture of the skin and the presence of the ring of Saturn is just going to make someone very mean. And along with that, if the thumb would remain to be short or clubbed in shape, then this is just going to aggravate the whole condition. The person would have a very evil bent of mind, a very twisted bent of mind. Because in any case, the presence of ring of Saturn just make these people, it make it very difficult for these people to get along well with others. They face kind of problem in acquiring good contacts and making good contacts. So this is all what I wanted to say on the ring of Saturn. I hope I made myself very clear in this video. For further more updates and notification on palmistry, please subscribe my channel and like my Facebook page. Thanks.